4K quality video, so nobody's gonna have problem to read what is written here, but I'm writing from one more side. If you cannot read it properly, please use a computer to watch this video, so you will get your exact results. You see what I did? Everything clear, what I write in this video, and the next step as goes. In the next step, what we are writing, everybody can see. Once you will follow the same everything from A to Z, you will have exactly same results that I will get. Okay, now everybody here is going to write down simple and easiest one. Once you do that, you can see there is no option for saving right now. Okay, but here whatever you're writing, it will be saving automatic. Now after all that, we are writing here same thing for everybody. Sometimes you really have to be very careful. Okay, once you do that, everything done, once you get all these numbers here, pressing home button, and straight away you're going into the bottom option what I have just clicked, and here you are just going to write down simply every single letter, what is capital, what is small, you're writing same. Okay, then you're going to the next step. Steps are very easy if you follow. Some people, they do not watch video fully and they start asking questions. Please, I would suggest everybody just to watch video first, try as it is in this video, and then try. Still, if you cannot make it, Unlock Apple is here for you to help for 100% free of cost. Make sure you follow the pin message and you check the description how to make it. Okay, this is all this beautiful combination what you really have to everything done. Once you got that, easy things will start. Alright, and now we'll try. Once we got that, alright, after doing all that, you press save button, back one more time, press done, and press back. After doing this steps, we are going to follow the next. Some people, if they don't have internet connection, they're gonna follow this video still and you will get your results. Here everybody writing same thing, but I'm writing. Okay, all right, now Okay, once you do that, we're not adding password here. We just go to next, press the numbers, press 5 times 0. That's all we have to add, and press next. Once we do that, it might take some time long, can be really long. The only thing you really have to is just have patience and try again. After all that, we do this 3 times, and then after we will go to our final steps. Now this time is taking a little bit more longer, as you see, and third and last time we will try this, and we will get back to our last step that we have to do. Sometime it can take, at this time